Hawleys, New York Animal Hospital. When you need a dependable animal hospital in Hawleys, New York, discover why families in Hawleys have trusted this facility since 1953. Families in Hawleys, New York trust Animal Hospital of Sullivan County, which has operated since 1953 as the oldest animal hospital in Sullivan County. This Hawleys facility is woman-owned, veteran-operated, and remains family-run since its founding. That culture of ownership shapes how every patient is handled at every stage. More than 70 years serving Hawleys, New York and Sullivan County means generations of local families have trusted their animals here, from young puppies to senior pets needing advanced care. The facility was designed with the patient experience in mind. Modern exam rooms, a comfortable reception area, and dedicated spaces for feline patients make visits low stress from start to finish. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County has maintained AAHA accreditation since 1983 and stands as the only AAHA accredited facility in Sullivan County. That designation has been maintained for over 40 years. AAHA accreditation requires passing 900 individual standards across clinical care, surgery, anesthesia, pain management, facility safety, and client communication. Fewer than 15% of animal hospitals in North America achieve AAAA accreditation. Holding it since 1983 means our standards remain consistently high every single day of the year. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County provides comprehensive care, including wellness exams, vaccinations, dental cleanings, spay and neuter services, and urgent care, all handled in a single accredited facility. Families in Hawleys have relied on Companion Memorial Crematorium on-site for more than 20 years, with compassionate aftercare from the same team that cared for their pets. The hospital coordinates specialty referrals when a case exceeds the scope of in-house care. Your pet receives advanced treatment while staying in contact with our staff. Preventive care is prioritized at every visit. Early detection of issues such as dental disease, weight shifts, or organ changes allows intervention before a concern becomes a serious problem. Feline patients in Hawleys, New York have access to separate exam rooms reserved for cats, away from dog traffic. Reducing cross-species stress leads to calmer exams and better assessments. Low-stress handling is practiced throughout this Hawleys facility. Staff members approach pets at eye level, use calming techniques, and avoid unnecessary restraint whenever possible. The Pet Desk app lets clients book appointments, track vaccination records, and receive reminders directly from the hospital. It puts scheduling entirely in a client's pocket. Digital booking is available through the hospital's website around the clock. Both new and existing patients can book an appointment without a call, finding time into any routine. Local families have relied on this hospital for generations. People who first visited as kids now return with their own pets, a cycle that only comes from years of steady quality care. Scheduling a visit in Hawleys, New York is straightforward. New and returning clients can reach the hospital directly to answer questions about your pet's needs before visiting. During the initial appointment, an intake is performed. The team reviews the animal's background, performs a thorough physical examination, and discusses any concerns before creating a care plan. Animal Hospital of Sullivan County serves families across Sullivan County, including clients who drive long distances because they prioritize our accredited care and a trusted animal hospital. Whether your pet needs a wellness exam, a dental cleaning, or workup for a new symptom, the team at Animal Hospital of Sullivan County is equipped to help with resources of an accredited hospital. Accredited standards, in-house aftercare services, and 70 years of Sullivan County community service make Animal Hospital of Sullivan County the natural choice for comprehensive animal care throughout this region. Looking for a reliable animal hospital in Hawleys? Visit ahofsc.com to learn more. When you need an animal hospital in Hawleys, New York, click the link below or visit ahofsc.com to learn more.